Here I have Motorola G14, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. Firstly, you should go to settings and go to the network and internet section. So here you can find hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can enable it. Here you can change, here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change your hotspot's name. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. You can also change its AP band. You can also set up like randomized MAC address or device MAC address. You can also turn off hotspot automatically. You can set up maximum amount of connections. You can use hidden SSID. You can use whitelist mode, and here you can add devices to whitelist manually. So yeah. And now you can also switch hotspot here at the upper bar. After you enabled it once, this button will appear here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.